I want to show you guys something. I want to show you how you can find slope without using sine, cosine, tangent, inverse, none of that stuff. The only thing I'm going to ask you to do is to find where 1 degree is on your circumference, because we're going to use that to convert our inches into degrees later on. Do not be afraid of big numbers. Just write them down as they are so you can be as accurate as possible. But you know how every triangle comes from within a circle? And dealing with slope, you're dealing with right angles, and this hypotenuse is equal to our radius, which this radius is equal to the square root of 1200. And if you take your radius and divide it by the square root of 33.3 repeating, it'll let you know where 1 degree is on your circumference. And on this circle with this radius, 1 degree is at 0.6 inches. Now we'll come back to that at the end, but I want you to take this adjacent leg. What we're going to do is we're going to solve for this small triangle right here. And we need to know this short distance first. So we're going to take our radius and minus our adjacent, and that'll let us know what this little tiny leg is. And if you do the math, it equals 3.65714,938.0316. Now we already have our opposite leg in our triangle, and it's 15.49193338.484. So whenever you square both, add them together, and take the square root, you'll get the hypotenuse of this triangle, which is equal to 15.91774926.270. Now, if you take this hypotenuse and divide it by 1 degree, where 1 degree is, that's going to convert these inches into degrees for us. And whenever you do that, you'll see that you'll get an answer 26.50 and so on. Well, the degree of this triangle is 26.56505117771. But 26.5 is 99% accurate. And you can do this all the way up to a 45-degree triangle. Once you get to 45 degrees, your answer will equal 44.5, and that's where I get the 99%. So it's 1% off at 45 degrees. You always do the lower side of your triangle, and it works every time.